Very good evening, everybody. This is a follow-up session from yesterday. If you're absent in the yesterday sessions, we request you to please go through the LMS recordings. Please go through LMS recording from your dashboard. What I want to say is yes, exactly. To be precise, yesterday we were talking about the placement cell, guidance, their connections, number of sources for placements, for jobs, for course selection, for coding, non-coding, for coding, two options. For non-coding, three options we are given yesterday. All those things we have been covered yesterday. If you absent, if you are, it's your responsibility. Everybody responsibility is to go through this. Check the link and go. If something is already covered, no, if you're asking the same question, that's not good. That's not good for you. That's not good for CT. That's not good for any student because you're wasting time. So if you are absent, responsibility to please go through yesterday's session. Please, if you went through, very good. If you went the session, yesterday 1.3 point hours, 1.5 hour plus session was there. So we were talking about, if you see the recording, see job roles, skills, about how to select AI, why to select AI, and how to select data science, what is there inside, what are the jobs, salaries, duration, about Azure DevOps, who will select Azure DevOps, and what to select Azure DevOps, what are the projects that we're covering in. If you have a career gap, whether you can get a job in DSAI, and why data science and AI has a lot of salaries, why heavy salaries? Because it is booming. 4 years courses are there for DS and AI now, and that is why yes, certification has a lot of value because it speaks about multiple skills, multiple skills. All these things you are looking for study, and also we were looking for placement sources. What are the placement sources? Where we will place, how we will place, what are the different salaries. Up to that point, we went through about fees, pay after placement, EMI options, offline option, training, and OTP option. We went through along with your roadmap for each course. Okay. After career gap, what is the best choice? We are given you already DS and AI because everything is getting automated. Everything is getting automated nowadays. And IITs are introducing AI. Every year they're introducing one new module in AI. For example, generative AI, one new module. Last year only introduced in December. Now to study this, everything is new. For everybody, it is new. That is why, that is why up to 2030, 32, the things around AI will come. See, these are all yesterday's recording. Huh? Even recording Unity. Even I request for your course collections, for your salaries, for your career guidance. Go to this for sure. These are our contact persons or sources for placements we went through yesterday in precise. This is something we stopped. At this level, we stopped. About placement process, when you will go to placement pool is something question. Okay. I'll pause the recording. Now ask me. Okay, I just restarted. On any platforms that we are giving you training, we will place you. But the question is vague. It's a vague question by some student. It's a vague question. What I mean by vague question means it is very completely broad question. See, when we say, when we say for Azure DevOps, training and placement is there, and training is there. Also, when we say for Data analytics, training and placement is there. Training is there. Here, irrespective of the courses, irrespective of the courses, you have your placement cell who are working for you. Placement cell who are working for you. But there is a catch. What is the catch? Two students taken course from course from CTE. But whether everybody will get a job within, I mean, everybody means whether all the people in this, or I can say these two persons, whether they are going to get a job at same time, answer is of course no. Whether they'll get a same salary, answer is no. Whether, yeah, I am coming there. Whether they're all going to get the projects certification at the same time as per duration, answer is no. It all matters. It all matters on the course to course. It all matters. Market demand. It all matters. What skills you have it. What skills you have, it's more than that matters. That is more than. That is more. Hmm? Okay. Are you clear? Correct. Exactly. So what I want to say is, I'm coming there. Simply taking just a course is not giving any guarantee or anything. But everybody will place. Answer is yes. Everybody will get placed. That is point. Why? Because we have 100% placement. That means until you get a job, until you get a job, your team is here to support you online and offline. Online, offline. Some persons who can only pay for training now, after getting placed, if they want that option, nobody in India, I don't know, like nobody in India will give this option. We are giving, we are giving pay after placement options. For this, there is a bond. You have to sign a bond. Bond means training fees you pay after placement, you can pay the placement fees, but it is after. So when it is after, you have to sign a bond. You should come to Ameerpet in Hyderabad, or you should go to Vijayawada's Benz circle. You can sign it physically, or you can you can send a register post there after signing placement bond. That means after getting a job only, you can pay option also there. Why we are giving? Because we have many people in India, across the world, do not have enough money to completely go through the courses. For them, this is helping. And some, of course, everything will come with a proper catch. That catch will be in the documentation. Read this. Yes, offline we are enabling anywhere in two states in Telangana and AP and metro cities. But existing, for existing centers which are already running offline, directly you can enroll it directly without booking for offline. But if any new center, new batch is opening, which are awaiting for the batch, so you just need to book for a refundable amount. And EMI option available based on the need. And if you are planning for a one-time payment, scholarships available for income, they based on income sources. I think this is very clear. Yeah. So all courses placement is available, but it is all about how much is the demand for that. Very simple example, Azure DevOps, there's a placement, answer is yes. It takes 3 months. This is single tool. It is a single tool. As per present demand, if you see out of 100 jobs, the package for Azure DevOps will be 3 lakhs to 6 lakhs on every for freshers. But whether they will get placed competitively faster than data science AI, yes or no? Answer is no. Data science AI student will get faster placed. Why? Because they will learn multiple skills. 7 tools to 8 tools, including NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, Data Science, AI, Python, SQL. All these are technologies and skills that you learn. So multiple skills in this today's world have more demand. You get really fast placed and more salary. Like your 10 to 15 lakhs to up to 20 or above, you will get it based on the skills that you prove in the interviews. That skills will teach you. Mock interviews will take you. Resumes will prepare for you. We will amend for you. And we'll post the resume to our connections as I mentioned you. Okay. How it happened. So that means, to nutshell, summary is everybody will get placed. Time matters based on your proved skills. You will get a calls, interview calls based on the projects that you done from our side, course you complete, and project you did. Finish. Within 3 months, you start getting the calls. So let us move. Let us move. Okay. Yeah, let's move. So that's all the placements. Sale, I think we have shown yesterday. Me, along with my partners, with the co-founders, with the expert trainers that we have in CTE, will be providing the sources that I was showing you. What sources? These are the people will provide the sources. These are sources. Placements, sources. Starting from paying premium membership from as a vendor to this Naukri Monster LinkedIn portal to hiring company requirement list, they will take it. They, their juniors, their connections, their partners, my partners, and so on. Industry specific collaborations, we have it. HR connections, consultants, recruitment agents, hundreds of recruitment agents are there. We are going to pay them. You will not pay because you're already paying it, no? Training and placement. You will not pay. We will pay them. Yes. To answer your question, whether you are going to pay after placement, if you are taken training and placement, no need to pay anything extra, nothing to pay. If you taken training and placement, nothing to pay. But if you taken only training, you'll get only training. That's it. Okay. That's your choice. All right. Yeah, now let me go back to different company that tie up with us. Yeah. So example, I'll talk about the connections I have. Uh, Let me show the profile. And before the profile, let me show the company that can connect with us. Yeah. Before the companies, to tell you, we started informally in 2009. We are ISO certified and also in AACTE approved. More than 15 years. I'm already into software industry since 2009. And like 2010 or 11 onwards, weekends, we already started training from that time. We were only one or two people who were training in the weekends. That time there was no name of CTE, but it was informal. Gradually, before Corona, we have registered. Then we moved to WhatsApp calls, Google Meets, and training sessions offline. After Corona, yes, we moved to your learning portal. Basically, we are focusing on data science and AI, machine learning, Azure and DevOps, full stack development, SQL databases, maxed with AI. More than 15,000 successful alumni we have it. Here, 80% of the students are from directly colleges. We are already tied up with the colleges, as you know. Directly, 178 colleges we have tied up. Our team will go, our associate trainers will go there. On a projector, they will teach support training. Main trainer, like the industry expert, or IIT certified person, industry expert from MNC. They will teach, and the students will be learning on projector via our associate trainer in their colleges. So, but the name will be college name. It is not CT name there. See, if the students are getting placed, no, the college will take the name. Why? Because we are giving the training, because we have MOU with the colleges saying that the college will provide us the students. We are going to train them. Of course, there is some MOU with them, some collaboration, some MOU, some financial settings, some financial MOUs, right? That is why the name they need. So they will provide students, because in this case, CTE don't do any marketing. CTE Academy don't do any marketing. Okay, that is why the name in college they will take. Second option, of course, open marketing. For example, we provide SQL, AI, ML, some free campaigns, free session, demos, vagera, certification, vagera. Sometime, not always, sometimes. Open, we have open sources. From there, we get students. They get placed. Of course, in this case, they are coming to our bin after getting placed into our team. So let me now introduce what are different companies where the students are placed in, where the trainers are coming from. Let me give you example. So I think all of you know about my LinkedIn. I think so. Yes. Okay. Right. I have worked for around 6 companies across in the years. Like I have autos more than 5 years. Here we have around more than 7,000 colleagues. I made a connections in 5 years. Connections means connections, contacts, communities. Arjenica I worked in, Siemens I worked in, Ness I worked in. Then then moved to CD as freelance. Then Moritech. In Moritech I worked there is to Novartis. And in Ness I worked for Franklin Templeton. These connections will be converted to your HRs. These connections will be converted to your exactly companies. The requirement they will give us. That's collaboration we have it, because they get referral bonus also, those companies. And example, IITs. If I'm from IIT, for example, that's my team. That's my team or colleagues from IIT. Example. Yeah. Now what? These connections will be helping us. This connection will be helping us for the any opening they have, they will come back to us. How? Why? Because they have some referral bonus in their company. Also, we give the referrals to them. Example, I'm showing you about a person. Right. It is again his connections in this area of Python ML AI. You are going to get top notch skills from him, from his companies, from his previous things. He would refer about the requirements in Honeywell, in Deloitte, in Vagera. These connections are going to help. These kind of people will be your in the placement cell, and they are going to guide you through. So he is from Mumbai University. He is our classmate. Example, Prasad Pagat. He is my classmate. He worked in Google, Magazine, वगैरह. He's in US right now. What he would be doing? He would be helping. Correct. He would be helping wherever needed for the requirements, syllabus, advising, topics, skills development. Like this amount of the networks and connections are required to move it from there. And they will be teaching you. They will be teaching. Example, one connections. She'll be teaching you. So for example, she's from IIT. She'll be teaching you Python and somewhere around SQL as well, some data science. And she was from freelance and she worked in Amazon, etc. What I want to say right now is throw them like this. See, we can't keep it's a confidential and privacy, of course, right? So lot of data is confidential. Their data, their details are privacy and confidential. Not everything should be shared, and not everything can be shared because they sign up a privacy statement with us. Why? Because they work in some companies, no? They work in some companies. They can't have a tie-up with some. They can't have a tie-up with some other things. Why? They do the help. That's it. But sometime company don't like it, no? So that is where data privacy. Everything is in the name of Center for Training and Employment and permanent employee staff here. They will be a direct box. That's what we call as a placement cell. As you see, these will be your front end placement cell. That means you can connect with them directly. You can directly connect with them because we have signed up a data privacy statement that the data or the detail can be shared to our students outside also. They're okay because their company is okay, so they're okay like that. There are many people who do already a full-time job. They teach for 2 hours here, 4 hours here, or weekends, early morning and the evenings. So via them, we are going to connect to the companies that we have like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, TCS, Infosys, PwC, L&T, Genpack. See Genpack for example. In Uppal, there is a colleague from our ex company. He's working on Genpack. Any opening there, we'll get information. Example, Bosch. I worked in Siemens. Siemens has some already there in the same field, Bosch and Siemens. Any openings, we'll get it from there. So during the connections, in this company, we have direct connections where you're going to get your placements. And anybody can, anybody, anywhere, any company or any college can be placed in anywhere. Most of the people, somebody from 2017, 18, 20, 21, somebody even before that, either you're from CBIT but you passed out in 2017 and he was writing some government exams. Ara was writing some government exams like UPSC, Group 1 exam he was writing in 2017 and he was not interested in software. But after 6 years, 7 years, what happened? He's not getting any government job. That time he think, okay, I had to join some courses. They join the course, they certify, they get job roles. Salaries, see, it is not guaranteed that if you're from CBIT, it's not guaranteed you get a highest salary because you're from CBIT. No, your skills matters. Some people don't want to share their names, data privacy. For them, we can't share the names also. Even we can't share the names. If some people don't want data privacy statement. Some people, Anurag University, BSc and got in Siemens, but he was a data engineer. His skill such a way he took 2 years. He took 2 years for his certification, projects, even internships, vagera vagera. Before giving any interview, he took 2 years. He was joined in 2023. Now in 24, that time he got work in as a data engineer, 33. But it doesn't guarantee that all data engineer will get it. It all matters how much time you're giving, how much project you're getting. That doesn't mean stop there. For example, somebody from Akil from Freshworks, he joined there. Data scientist, 13 lakhs. He just took some 9 months or 10 months. He joined the course. He passed in 8 or 9 months from our course. Then he got a job in within 2 months. He got 13 lakhs. He was satisfied. But it doesn't guarantee that. Somebody experienced, for example, this person is experienced person. And she is from Triple IT Hyderabad. You see, Triple IT. It's Triple IT. So it is not, see, it is not guaranteed that if you're from Triple IT, always you get this much salary. No. But it has a value add. They will take the college name, they'll take your degree, they'll take this. But no skills, no job. No skill, no job. So what I want to say is, irrespective of your degree, irrespective of your college, irrespective of your year of passing, the skills, whatever you gain in your Azure DevOps or cloud or full stack or Python SQL, your salaries matters completely depending on the skills. I have given you some example in Mubi. In Mubi, I have given example. What example? Yesterday I given example. It doesn't mean everybody will be kicked off by InMobi. Do you think everybody will kicked off by InMobi? No, right? No. But he says, what he says? He says, I think yesterday I shown you. If you missed it, you can see 80% automation. They will remove all software developers. 80% software developers they will terminate, suspend all the developers. But by year end. But remaining 20%, they need AI. They'll keep it. So what I want to say, whether this is positive or negative, take it as positive, enhance your skills. Coders must learn some extra skills like don't learn only JavaScript, don't learn only Java, only Python. Learn if you're interested in coding, no. Please learn full stack. Please learn full stack development. Will be helpful. Why? Full stack development has 8 skills. If you like coding, learn this. Then you can stay in the competition. Like this. Full stack with Python, Django, SQL front end. Starting from HTML to CSS, JavaScript, MVT, CI/CD pipeline, वगैरह. You can learn up to Python, form handling, user authentication, and so. What I want to say, one more example, best example. You see in V6 like 40 lakhs salary, Bengaluru, something was in the news. Yes, easy. Yes, I think it is a smallest AI. The company name is smallest AI. How many of you know? I think we put in the group already. Hmm? Hmm. You see here. I think we put already in the WhatsApp community group. This opening. 40 lakh salary for a fresher. Fresher. 40 lakh LPA. Why? Because no need of IIT. No need of IIT. No need of bits Pilani. No. No profile. No coding. No nothing. But what you need? You need. You need. They need some brilliant full stack developer. Brilliant means what? They need skills. Today's world, everybody needs skills. Today's world. See, this is the post. All of you can just copy this code. You can watch out this. Open the link, you can watch out. This link you can watch out in LinkedIn. Sorry, in Twitter, of course. Twitter, you can watch out. Super. This has become viral. His Kama Sutra is one of the co-founder. Check out this. What he says? College doesn't matter. Resume not needed. 0 to 2. Joining immediate. Only 100 words you have to send it here. See why this has become viral? Because today's world it shows the person who has skills. That skills you have to mention in 100 words. Okay. So what I want to say right now, skills, skills matters. What is skills? Skills and tools matters. What skills, what tools? That is what that is what we will teach you in a particular courses. If you're from Azure DevOps is a skill. If you're from Azure DevOps is the skill. If you're from if you're from data science, you have skills unmatching to any other. Let me show that skill. I think you know all the skills, right? So yeah, I'll tell that. I'll tell what skills I need means they will check in the interview in your email on your resume. You should put these are the skill looked upon by DS and AI interviews. They look for Python, DS, analytics. If you take in DS and AI, combine these many tools and skills you learn in a span of 6 to 7 months on an average. An average student can learn it. If you're not working very good, no, it will take more time, 10 months or 12 months. Means we will teach as usual for everybody, but we will give you assignments, case studies, so that you will clear everything. After clearing, we give certification. Somebody can pass in 6 months, somebody can be 7 or 9. It's a rolling model batches. Everybody hardworking person target for 6 months. For DSAI, 6 to 7 months, including the projects, case studies, and so on. And if you're looking for some coding, if you're looking for some coding, what skill they're looking for example, that 40 lakhs, no, that 40 lakhs, that person, what skill they're looking, let me tell you that. That also I'll tell you. Yeah, here we go. Full stack. If somebody asking coding, they need multi skills. One coding not possible today's world. Possible, but less salary. 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 6 lakhs. Okay. But if your luck is not good, no, even you'll not get that. You need to wait for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Luck means when the positions are tight, the competition is heavy, because if you know only one skill out of it, lot of people, చాలా మంది తెలుసు ఒక స్కిల్, అందుకే కాంపిటీషన్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. సో వాట్ వీ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇస్ learn some 4 5 skills and tools, put in the resume, upload it by yourself, and after certification we will upload for you, will refer for you for job search. This is for full stack web development. Data analytics, as I mentioned you, data science is nothing but you have a part of it. Data science has a part that is called data analytics. Except machine learning, everything will be covered in the data analytics. In this, whatever machine learning is there, you will not learn because it's a part of data science. But you learn Power BI extra. Power BI, Excel, SQL, Python, Jupyter, you learn. Matplotlib, you learn. NumPy, you learn. Pandas, you learn. Data analyst. But data analyst, no need PySpark, no need TensorFlow, no need Spark. They don't need machine learning, they don't need NLP, वगैरह. ML ops, no. That means that is why you can finish in 4 to 5 months. Azure DevOps you will finish in 4 months. Data analytics you can finish in 4 to 5 months. It's a 5 months course along with the projects. That is something we will want to mention you in this. Enrollments already started. We wish you all the best. Your classes starts from Monday onwards, 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. After you enroll, you will be added to the regular classes group. You can join offline, online, Azure DevOps, data analytics, data science, AI, ML, full stack, Python or SQL independent as well. Available for the March, both offline, online. Timing available for March batch is upcoming March batches 8 p.m. 11 a.m. Both are available. Monday to Friday, 2 hours daily classes. Main trainer, support trainer, your mentor, your support team, learning manager will be there for each batch. There will be 5 different contacts available for you. All the best, all of you. If you have any questions, straightforward, you can ask me now or tomorrow 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. You can talk to me. or you can talk to any of the persons in the placement cell or from trainers, support team, etc. The contact numbers are given you in the groups. Contact them, they'll guide you to connect me or trainers or support team or any other persons available in the academy. If you like to talk to them, they will guide you to connect us. We wish you all the very best. All the best. The people who enrolled will get a regular batch link. Tomorrow morning, you will get, tomorrow by tomorrow, you will get details about regular batch group after enrollment. You will be added there. And if you want to follow up with us for groups, Vagera, take the contact number. These are the contact numbers, as you know. Follow with them after enrollment. They will add you in the March DS morning or March DS evening or March Azure DevOps morning or evening. They will add it. Same group for offline online because the classes are same for offline online. Okay, that's it. All the very best, all of you. If anybody have any concern, tomorrow you can raise, because after our team is confirming you, your class is starting from Monday onwards. All the very best, all of you. Any questions are welcome. Else we're done with the session. Thank you. Anyone any question?